Hi friends, I want to show you my new toilet paper holder. It has like a marble shelf also. I'm going to install it, but I wanted to show you first this unboxing. Okay, perfect. As you can see, okay, it's pretty nice. The paper roll goes here. It has this tension accessory, so the paper roll won't turn around like crazy. It will hold the paper roll, so it has a smooth use. And it has this marble shelf, so you can put anything you want. Another kind of paper here, maybe baby wipes or a candle or a flower. I mean, whatever. If you can see the picture they propose, the way they propose it. I mean, you can have whatever you want to put on top of it. It's really hard. It's like a rock, and you have two fixing points to the wall. So it's really nice. It gives a nice touch to your restroom. I'm going to put it in our visitors' restroom. Let's do it. As you can see, we already installed the toilet paper base here. These accessories will help it to be tight. Okay, so it's easy to get the paper and to cut it just with one hand. It's really nice. You could put something on top of it. Maybe this flower is too big, but just to give you an example of what you could do with it. A candle, a flower, just a place to put a drink. When you go to the restroom, I don't know. I just think it's a nice accessory, really discreet but very useful, and it helps you get the paper towel